What's up guys, welcome to Supercars of London, and today is a day worth getting excited about. Not just because I'm taking my car down to Monaco on my second supercar road trip, but I'm also meeting up with Sam from Seen Through Glass and Seb Delaney. Sam has literally just picked up less than 24 hours ago his brand new Jaguar F-Type Coupe R. So I'm going to be meeting up with him, convoying down with him, and then meeting up with Tim, Shmee150, in the BMW X6 at the Eurotunnel. So let's jump in the car, try and find Sam and Seb, and head off. The first few meters of this epic supercar road trip, my second supercar road trip, has begun, and I'm starting to feel comfortable in this car. I'm looking forward to doing many miles and hours in this car both today and tomorrow. Today our plan of action is drive down to the Eurotunnel, pray that there are no delays, head over to France and drive down to Lyon. We're going to be staying in Lyon the night, and then in the morning waking up and taking some more mountainous roads down to Monaco so we can start learning a little bit about these cars that we have, because this car is about a month and a half old in my ownership. I've got loads to learn. Sam, which I'm so excited about, you would have seen on social media, Sam launched his new car yesterday, which was today, the Jaguar F-Type Coupe R. So all of the trolling that I've been doing has finally paid off. But it's one of his dream cars, so I cannot wait to see it and I cannot wait to hear it. I have not seen it or heard it, only pictures. Coming into the services now, I've just realised Seb hasn't heard the car, so I'm going to put the valves on and do a couple of downshifts so that he knows that I'm on my way. And I also need to film the intro that you've already watched to this video, because I didn't have time to film it this morning, so I knew that the first stop that I was going to have needed to include me filming the intro. Once we've done that, I'm an hour about whether I'm going to fill my tank back up to a full tank and try and get the whole day down to Lyon on that one tank. But we will see. We will see. But we are now turning off to the services. So classic Sam and Seb, they've found a location to do a bit of a video, which is not in the service station. So I'm having to go back out to go back in again for the second time so that I can meet up with them. And I just want to see the F-Type. Where are they? Ooh, I can see the F-Type.
I can't believe you made me do this. You owe me so much money.
So for like 4 months or so, I've just been trolling him saying to buy the F-Type. And he's come with a passenger.
Hello.
Here is Seb Delaney, who of course everyone knows, but here we go. This is the first time that these two cars are next to each other. But it's also the first time that I've seen this car. It looks so much better than pictures. Look at the diamond cut wheels. These look better in real life than they do on camera. Look at the door handles. And the essentials for a trip down to Monaco with a bunch of YouTubers. Red Bull, camera, a rig, and a GB sticker. Everyone knows and loves my GB sticker from the R8. Look at that, Sam has now got a real car. That looks so good. I really like that. Time to get some fuel, and then we are on our way. Whipped the proper camera out so that you guys can have a quick close-up of Tim's new car. Wow. That is actually a really cool car. This is the first one that I've got close up to. And here he is. Why aren't you in the X6?
What?
Two, wait, I've got many questions for you. One, I was expecting the X6, so I was going to ask.
X6, Paul.
It's not an X6, no. I was going to ask whether I could put a bag in your car because I've got not enough room in there.
I have an empty boot.
Oh, so I can still
say hello to the new car, the Cayman GT4.
Yeah, I did. I like joked around in the Monaco announcement that you had bought every car in the UK and you'd
yeah,
gone.
Yeah,
there's another one.
And they're all blue.
Tim, the photo shoot conductor.
Keep going, Sam, keep going. You're
Getting us ready and we're here. This car's smelly, smells new. How is the Jaguar?
It's great.
Yeah?
It feels so much better than I thought.
Yeah. This smells brand new. This just smells of...
The range is so weird.
Just smells. But this place is pretty cool. I mean, this is the home straight. This is the home straight. This is the grandstand. And these are our cars. Right, we have made a quick pit stop because I don't really know why actually. I think it was just more of a pit stop. We're 2 hours out from Lyon. No one filled up with fuel.
Is everyone ready? The hall, it's more up.
I'm ready. We've got a tunnel! Tim is in front. That sounds so good, the F-Type sounds good. Woohoo! We have made it, finally, after tunnels and long drives. We've made it. For the night, we're staying here, in Lyon.
It doesn't matter, it makes no sense.
So we're now downstairs in the car park and Sam is parking up. And we are, again, in the French flag. And I think this is somewhat Tim's doing again. I'm going to give you a tour of the hotel tomorrow morning at the beginning of the vlog because we're so tired. We've been doing 12 hours today on the drive and done so many miles and does look cool. So we're going to unpack, edit the video and then get a relatively late night and just try and get some sleep until tomorrow. We've got some cool mountain roads. Fingers crossed the weather is good. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another epic video with these cars. And then we're going to be joined by Tim 675LT and FF, which I still haven't seen yet, which I'm super excited about. So thank you for watching. My hands are completely full, so I can't do a thumbs up, sadly. But I will see you tomorrow. Cheers, guys. McDonald's! Time to get this ice cream on my tongue, in my mouth, and down my throat. Oh, this is just what I need. Right, I am going to finish this ice cream as reward